Yes, good morning, students. I am your teacher, Elaine. You can call me Mom Elaine. Okay. Our lesson for today is all about living and non-living things. I know some of you have these ideas about living things and non-living things. So we do have here classification when it comes to living things, enable for you to really understand which one is non-living things and living things, we have this characteristic or classification of living things. So number one, living things breathe. So we all know that the all living things like human, animals, and plants, they are all need to breathe. They need air. Number two, living things obtain and use energy. So all of us, all living things are what? Need to eat and converted it to energy to use in their everyday lives. Okay, number three, living things reproduce. So living things are capable of giving birth, like humans, animals. So living things grow and develop. So from infant to toddler to preschool, teenage, middle age, and old. The number five, living things respond to their environment. So living things are very sensitive when it comes to temperature. So look at the picture of the boy. So what? Nag-respiration siya. And also when it comes to hot and cold. Living things adapt to their environment. So because humankind, we are very what? We are very knowledgeable when it comes to our surroundings. So they tend to use their time to have this kind of leisure. The living things have cells. So we all know that all living things is made of cells. So let us proceed now when it comes to non-living things. So this is the opposite one of living things. So when you say non-living things are not alive. So non-living things do not need food, water, or air. Look at all these non-living things as you have can see or notice. These are man-made or what we call artificial. So, one of the characteristic of non-living things is they do not obtain and use energy. So this one is an example of non-living things. That is a ball. The non-living things do not reproduce, though they are incapable of giving birth. So non-living things do not grow and develop. Of course, this is what? Artificial or man-made. Non-living things do not respond to their environment. So it means they are not what? They are not sensitive and they do not have some emotions or feelings. For instance, when you hit something like chair or ball pen, do you think these things will respond like ouch? No, because they don't have feelings. They don't have sensor. Okay, or they do not have sense. So, non-living things do not adapt to their environment. So, ilagay mo lang siya sa tabi, wala siyang paki, they don't even bother. They don't even care. So, this is the summarization of living things. So, when you say living things, breathe, obtain and use energy, reproduce, grow and develop, respond to their environment, adapt to their environment, and also have cells. While non-living things, this is the opposite of living things. They do not do anything that living things do. Now we have here a activities when it comes to characteristic of living and non-living things. So which of these things are living and which are non-living? So all you have to do is to take down all living and non-living things. Okay, these are the answers. So living and non-living things. So as you can see, all the living things are animals, plants, likewise human. And then when it comes to non-living things, they are all man-made. So we can consider also as living things as a natural and non-living things as artificial or man-made. So all you have to do is to identify which one is natural and which is man-made or artificial. So this is the answer, natural and artificial or man-made. So I have here an assignment for you. So draw a picture of another plant and animal, then give two reasons why they are living things. Two only, it's either plant or together with animals. Then all you have to do is to give some reason. So why you consider it or them as a living thing. So next week we'll be going to share your answer with the partner. So that's all for today, class. I hope that you've learned about what I am discussing, what I have discussed lately, and thank you for listening. Once again, this is Mom Elaine. Goodbye, grade 3.